guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So this is actually an Ikea cabinets. This costs around 200 ringgit. This costs around 350 ringgit. This is at 35 cm depth and a height of 70 cm, which is the same height equivalent with Alex height if you were to put that little nibble things at the bottom. But that one constitutes around 1 to 2 centimeters, which is going to be a bit different if you were to put this underneath the Alex drawer's table, because it's not gonna do it if you don't have that little nips. Okay, I already put a skeleton at the back, meaning I do not have any background wood at the back, so it's very empty here. As you can see, there's an empty space. There's no back panel, not even a shelf here. I will remove it. The reason being that I want to have that look of the SCADIs at the back to be mounted. Unless you do have a wall to put a SCADIs, would be nice, but I do not have. I have windows, so yeah. So the keyboard that I do have behind me is the Keychron K8, which is a non-backlight. I don't really like backlight RGB, it's kind of gay. And then the top one will be, I forgot the brand actually. This is actually IKBC keyboard. Here we have my triple monitor setup right over here at 24-inch each. Pretty good size, to be honest. I do not recommend you guys getting the 27 or 32 unless you do want to have dual monitors or even single monitors. If you do want to have triple monitor setup, I think 24-inch is a sweet spot for the monitor mount and also the space. So the table I got here is the Karbly 184 cm width. This is a very good, decent size for importing in my car. If I were to order the 240 centimeters, put in my car is impossible to put in. With triple monitor setup, one is to have all Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, XLM, and so on here. And the middle piece is a triangle, symmetrical triangle, and the right piece is a zoom in like 5 minutes or even sometimes 3 minutes of a structure of all my buying points and selling points. So it's pretty neat to have this around me at one go, rather than having one monitor or even dual monitor to do that, because when I do have two vertical mounts this way, I do feel more spaceship like. It does feel like I do have a very like an ultra wide but separated by a thin bezel, so it doesn't feel like I have three monitors. It feels like a futuristic bezel-less monitor that constitutes to one single monitor piece that's ultra wide in a budget form, which is only 1,800 ringgit for these three monitors, which is amazing. Yeah, I do run a Bose speaker at the bottom. Bose TV speakers is not like a very expensive one, it's like 1,000 ringgit plus. This is considered one of the affordable speakers you can get, which is wirelessly Bluetooth. Everything is connected to Bluetooth. I do not have any wires on. This is Bluetooth, the mouse is Bluetooth. Yeah, I think that's about it. I think that is one thing I'd like to show you guys today. Catch you guys the next one. Peace.